Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to move up to the settings icon button, so when we tap here we can open the camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the third position we have location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and when we want to turn it on we have to agree to that. We have to be careful when we want to share our location, so let's tap to OK. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and let's go to the button under the shutter that follows us to the last picture I've taken in the gallery. So this is how it looks like. To check its location we have to simply slide a little bit down and we get access to details with the location and the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.